Shine.
And it's your girl Tink.
And what we doing?
We are making hot Cheeto puff chicken wings. Now, I never tasted, he never tasted. Sounds disgusting, but I like hot Cheetos.
It sounds good.
We're gonna see.
It sounds very good.
We're gonna see.
It sounds different.
So we have this big old ranch too.
Buttermilk.
It says ranch.
Yes, buttermilk.
Oh. So we have that. We gonna fry the chicken, dip it in the ranch, and cover it with the hot Cheetos. So we have our chicken wings that we've left sitting. And we're gonna put the flour in a bag. I'm gonna teach y'all how to season your flour. Well, that's the end of that bag. Some garlic powder. So, I want to put some garlic salt. Not too much, because I'm using seasoning salt that Roy got from, what was that place called, babe? They sell them. Red Robin. And some garlic powder. Now, if you don't know about seasoning your flour and your chicken before you fry it, you have a different generation than mine. So now we're going to season the chicken. Garlic salt, garlic powder, and pepper. Then we're gonna dump our chicken in. You get a chicken. You get a chicken. How many pieces is that? I usually cook them about 8 at a time, and we're not making all of these hot Cheetos because we might not like them, and we still need to eat it. Then we come over here to the fire. So I like to have my fire on 8, not too high, not too low, and we're gonna wait for it to get hot.
Now you want to test the grease. Little paparazzi.
That's too much water.
That was perfect.
That's scary as hell. You know I'm scared of oil.
Yeah.
That's what it's still
So
popping.
you can tell us right. What you want to do is put the chicken in lively. Don't try to throw it in there because that's what.
That's what?
That's what make the oil splash, the grease splash on you.
Woo.
So you want to do it
I'm gonna back up.
close to it. You know.
Okay, so it's nice. How many was that? 5. I usually cook in the house, so this is interesting watching him put this chicken in the pan. Real interesting. So we're gonna let that cook up real nice, and we're about to start crushing up the chips. Look how it is now, guys. It's ready to be dipped, flipped, and dripped. He thinks this is so cool. Yeah. I like hot Cheetos. Let's see how the chicken doing. Oh yeah. We're getting somewhere. Chicken, chicken, chicken. The chicken is almost complete. It's golden. I already turned it over to this side.
Meanwhile. Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the motherfucker in the house bored and I'm bored in the
Yep.
We're just gonna put the ranch into the bowl. All of it?
Hell no, that's enough. Wasting my ranch because I might not like it.
So we some one at a time.
Put the chicken
in the ranch. Not too creamy.
Yeah, not too creamy.
And you just gonna, you feel me?
By the way, we washed our hands.
Clean hands.
I don't need y'all trying us in the comments.
No quarantine hands, quarantine fingers. Put something else to put this in?
Yeah, good one. Because I forgot. A bowl, yeah. How many we should do? Like 3, just to try?
I say we'll do like 4.
4?
Yeah, because I might like it, you know what I mean?
Okay, yeah. So good. It's looking real hot Cheeto-ish.
Real scrumptious.
It might be good though. I like hot Cheetos. I love chicken and I love ranch.
Exactly. So.
Ranch is about the only white thing I eat. We'll get into that in another video.
I think it's gonna be good.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be different. I don't try new things, guys, at all. Yeah. So this is a big step for me.
Real big step.
Like, seriously. Roy, he's an eater. He will eat anything besides pork.
Yeah, anything but pork. No pork on my fork.
No. It's time to taste the chicken. Scrumptious. Alright, I want to take the smallest piece. You ready? Oh my god. The French is cold.
You don't like it.
Taste it. I'm eating it. It's interesting. You like it? Do you like? Oh my god, I missed the camera, guys. Do you like it?
That's trash.
Oh my god. So, Roy don't like it, but let me tell y'all something. I don't try new stuff, but this chicken is very different. But I like it. I like it, babe.
It's just like, it tastes like like you put your hot Cheeto bag in the microwave. I probably need another bite.
No, it's good. I like it. Enough of that.
But I wouldn't do this again though.
You wouldn't be like, oh yeah, babe, go make some flaming hot wings.
No, not at all.
I'm on my second one. These good. I like them.
All right, well, thank y'all for tuning in.
Like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe, please.
Please.
Thank you. Also, let us know in the comments what you guys like. And don't forget to like the video. Please, please, please. Thank you.